Hey everyone, just wanted to share with you all my 30-day free trial for GoHighLevel. Now, usually we know that GoHighLevel gives us 14-day free trial period, but if you use my link that is in this video's description, you will get a 30-day extended trial to GoHighLevel. Now, I don't have any other free stuff that's worth millions of dollars like others. I believe nothing valuable comes for free. So I just wanted to talk about my GoHighLevel course that I did, which helps you become a GoHighLevel expert in 14 days. So if you are using GoHighLevel as a SaaS owner, as an MMA owner, or as a freelancer or anything, you can just take this course and become really good in using GoHighLevel in 14 days. Like if you do one module every day, you will be done with this course within 14 days. You don't even have to go through the 30-day extended trial period. And also, if you need ongoing help on GoHighLevel, Google Ads, Meta Ads, and automation and stuff, you can join my school community for $19 per month only, which will give you access to a lot of courses, which will give you access to weekly coaching sessions that we do every Friday, and that then we do a Q&A session after that. And you get members only discount to a lot of my stuff like snapshots, resources, even this course. That's just what I wanted to share. Best of luck. And again, if you want to get a free trial period for 30 days, which is extended trial for GoHighLevel, you can get it from the link in this video's description. And I will see you in the next one.